Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable DAC for your earbuds or HUAWEI FreeBuds Wi-Fi. Firstly, and the most important, to use LDAC, your phone should support this codec also. Not all Android phones support LDAC. And you cannot enable DAC on your iPhone, because Apple devices doesn't support LDAC AC. This is your maximum. Apple devices also didn't support aptX or LC3 or LHDC, so yeah, only AC. Now, if I go to the developer options right now to check the Bluetooth audio codec, right here, firstly we need to enable HD audio to check it, and right here, right here we have only two codecs, even if you enable HD audio. So we need to enable LDAC in the application first. You need to open HUAWEI AI Life application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then scroll down, and here's sound quality. Tap at this line, and you need to select prioritize sound quality. After that, we can return to the developer options, and as you can see, right now we use LDAC. So we enable it. To disable it, in the developer options you can select another codec, let's say AC, or you can just return to the prioritize sound quality, and now we have no DAC in the codecs. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!